Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by like really quick. I got my wire in today. Oh my God. I can't wait to see what I am going to create using the colored wire. So I'm going to take a day or two. This is what I'm telling myself. I'm going to take a day or two and just kind of think and see what comes to me to create. So it's like all these pretty colors. So we got all this, and all this came in today. All these different colors. And what I did do is the bracelet from yesterday. I finished it off with some green and some of the turquoise wire. There was a question, and the question was if the cardboard will break down because of it coming on and off your wrist. If you think about it, the wire is the frame. It's almost like the cardboard being in like a picture that's in a picture frame. As long as you put enough wire, that's a thick enough wire, wrap it, right? Enough to where it literally secures it, all the pressure is on the wire. It's not on the cardboard, it's on the wire, right? So you slide it on, you slide it off, and I had said that I think in one of the other videos, even with the fabric is not even, chances are won't get dirty because maybe kind of, but it won't be extremely dirty because all the pressure and touching is on the wire. So you want to put enough wire, or it's going to be on the nylon cord or the leather cord if you're using the leather cord or the nylon cord. So, and I did think about that before I use a cardboard. I was like, I wonder if it'll hold up like that. But then my thought was, okay, I can put wire or I can put leather around it, and then that would make it almost be in a casing. So, and if you see, it is in a casing because the wire is not going to move. The wire is going to stay exactly where the wire is. Now, if it was like just the cardboard by itself and it was just like this, maybe it could get bent up or something. But with the wire as a protective, wrapping on it, because you could even see like that how difficult it is to, like fold it or do something. And then all the pressure is on the wire, it's not on the bracelet. So I like the way this one came out too. I did this one yesterday. So I just wanted to answer that question about the cardboard. And even if you don't want to use the cardboard, find something else that's a little bit more sturdy. And that's what it's all about. And you guys are making like some absolute, like beautiful pieces. If you are not a part of the Jewelry by BDK Creators Zone, buzz over there and join the group. Those ladies are, wow, just some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pieces. Beautiful pieces. And also on here, be sure to subscribe. There's a lot of people that are watching the videos that are not subscribers, and I can tell that because of the analytics. So if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss the videos every time I upload them. Because my thought is to be as consistent as I possibly can with turning on the camera, because I know for a minute I wasn't doing that. I would just sit down and create and not turn the camera on. So my thought is that I create so much that it's like just turn the camera on, because somebody might want to see what you're creating and they might want to create their own version, of it. So I'm getting, really good about turning on the camera, even if it's just to share something like what I'm sharing right now regarding the cardboard, just answering a question, that was presented. And, just being a little bit more consistent with it, because people are making things and people are serious about what they're doing. And I don't want to be the one to hold up, somebody if it's a question and you're trying to, figure something out, or you're trying to make something and you're asking if it's 18 gauge or if it's whatever it is. And I try to answer the comments, as soon as I can, but it's not all the time that I could do that. I did get the chance to answer some of the emails today. I didn't get to all of them, but I did answer, some of them. And if you do got questions, you're welcome to email me at jewelrybybdk@gmail.com. And if you're interested in any of the pieces, you're not a jewelry maker, and you're interested in any of my pieces that you see here, you can always go to jewelrybybdk.com, and that's the actual website. And if you're interested in wholesale buying, jewelrybybdk@gmail.com, you could just send me an email and let me know. That's another reason why you want to subscribe, because if you see something that I've made and you want to buy it in bulk, or you would like to just buy the piece or something, you'll be aware, that I've made it and that it's possibly on the jewelrybybdk.com website. Okay, but I wanted to answer that question. I was trying to see if there was somebody else that asked me something. Oh, it was something about selling outside, like at events and different places like that. Keisha is one of the artisans. She makes handmade jewelry as well, and she has a book all about selling outside, selling at events, what the digital wallet is, just everything and anything you think you want to know about selling outside. Keisha has a book. And Keisha, if you will, put the link in the description, not the description, but the comment section. And then that way, people can hopefully find it. So she answers a lot of questions about selling outside. And my whole thing is, at some point, you're going to make so much product that you're going to have to go somewhere and sell it. So it's like, before you go out and sell it, you want to get some little tips and tricks, and you want to know some things before you even go out there. And I'm sure all the content that she has in the book will help you to save money, because a lot of the events, may not even be worth your time or money going, because they just may not be your market. So that's something you want to learn about too, who's your market. And her book has a lot of good information in it, for anybody that's looking and wanting to, or even planning to sell outside, not just outside, just at events. So that would be a good thing. You'll make so much product, and that's what you're going to eventually have to do. Like, go, because you can't wear it all, go somewhere, set up, think about how I do have a plan. It's a jewelry business plan, where you can ask yourself some questions, like what the executive summary is, and, just a lot of different information. You can ask yourself questions and pretty much fill the plan out, what your business looks like for you, if you're planning, to make your jewelry a business, because you can do that. And I do know that one thing leads into something else. I was looking at the time, and it's actually telling me that I got like 46 minutes left. So that means I need to go in here and delete all this video up off of here. But anyway, that's what I stopped by for, just to let you guys know. I got in some wire, all different kind of wire. And I'm just going to be making up some stuff. I don't know what I'm going to make yet, but I'm going to make something. And I will stop by and let you guys know. I actually got in some gold wire too. So I got some spools of that. And you guys know I was over here stressing and fiending about my last little 2 spools of gold wire. Okay, I'm a happy camper now. All right. And I still have to string the pearl necklace. Somebody asked me about that, because they were trying to do a cluster, and I think their cluster didn't come out the way that she was expecting it to. But that's okay. I'm going to do a video, and I'll show how I just put the beads on the wire, and then real simple, real easy. But I'll do a video. If I don't do it tonight, I'll do it in the morning. All right. And guess what, family? We'll talk soon.